I'm looking for. I'm looking for. Do you sell? Do you sell? Where can I find? Where can I find? Do you have this in other colors or sizes? Do you have this in other colors or sizes? Can you help me find? Can you help me find? Is this available in stock? Is this available in stock? What material is this made of? What material is this made of? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? How much is this? How much is this? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? What is the price? What is the price? What's the total price? What's the total price? Can you give me a better price? Can you give me a better price? That's too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? That's too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Do you have any special offers? Do you have any special offers? Is this the final price? Is this the final price? Can I get a better price if I buy more? Can I get a better price if I buy more? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Do you offer installment payments? Do you offer installment payments? Do you offer interest-free installments? Do you offer interest-free installments? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Do you have a return policy? Do you have a return policy? Do I need to keep the receipt for a refund? Do I need to keep the receipt for a refund? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. It's too big or small for me. It's too big or small for me. Do you have a size larger or smaller? Do you have a size larger or smaller? It feels a bit tight or loose. It feels a bit tight or loose. I like the fabric. It's very soft. I like the fabric. It's very soft. The quality is great. It looks durable. The quality is great. It looks durable. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? What's your return policy? What's your return policy? I'd like to exchange this for a different size. I'd like to exchange this for a different size. Do you offer exchanges if I change my mind? Do you offer exchanges if I change my mind? How many days do I have to return this item? How many days do I have to return this item? Can I get a refund or only store credit? Can I get a refund or only store credit? Are sale items refundable? Are sale items refundable? I found a defect in this product. I found a defect in this product. I received the wrong item. Can I exchange it? I received the wrong item. Can I exchange it? I ordered this online, but it's not what I expected. I ordered this online, but it's not what I expected. I'd like to exchange this for another color. I'd like to exchange this for another color. Is it okay if I exchange this for another product? Is it okay if I exchange this for another product? The product doesn't work properly. Can I get a replacement? The product doesn't work properly. Can I get a replacement? Will I get a full refund? Will I get a full refund? How long does it take to process a return? How long does it take to process a return? Is there a fee for returning an item? Is there a fee for returning an item?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a new handbag. I'm looking for a new handbag. Do you have this in black? Do you have this in black?
Yes, we have it in black and blue. Yes, we have it in black and blue.
How much is this dress? How much is this dress?
It's $45, but today there's a 20% discount. It's $45, but today there's a 20% discount.
Can I try this dress? Can I try this dress?
Of course. The fitting room is over there. Of course. The fitting room is over there.
What's the return policy? What's the return policy?
You can return it within 14 days with the receipt. You can return it within 14 days with the receipt.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Is this the best price you can offer? Is this the best price you can offer?
I can give you a 10% discount. I can give you a 10% discount.
Good afternoon. I'm looking for a new dress. Good afternoon. I'm looking for a new dress.
Good afternoon. What size are you looking for? Good afternoon. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear large. I usually wear large.
We have this style. Would you like to try it? We have this style. Would you like to try it?
Yes, where is the fitting room? Yes, where is the fitting room?
Right over there. Let me know if you need a different size. Right over there. Let me know if you need a different size.
It fits well, but do you have it in a darker color? It fits well, but do you have it in a darker color?
Yes, we have it in black. Yes, we have it in black.
Great. How much is it? Great. How much is it?
It is $50, but we have a 10% discount today. It is $50, but we have a 10% discount today.
That sounds good. I'll take it. That sounds good. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay with cash or credit card? Would you like to pay with cash or credit card?
I'll pay by card, please. I'll pay by card, please.
Here you go. Have a great day. Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. You too.